Hello, my name is Lee and my channel is Lee Work at Home. Today, PFCandle is hiring for customer care associates for their busiest time of the year, their candle season. This is a part-time seasonal position, and the associate will facilitate a day-to-day communication and support for their callers during their busiest time of the year. This position will work remotely from home. It is a part-time 3 days a week with the potential to cover weekday and weekend shifts. So this is starting in October and ending by December 31st, 2020. They would like you to start as soon as possible once you have your interview, and the hourly wages is $22 an hour. So some of the duties that go along with this position is to offer timely, comprehensive support to all customers, provide expert knowledge and education on product line and care of the product and proper use of the product. Direct communication by way of email, social media, website reviews, phone, and in person if we weren't working fully from home. But this is a remote position, so the in-person is not applicable in this position. So you will work to reduce response time across channels while increasing overall ratings of PFCandles experience. Ensure customers' related issues are tracked and consolidated in their CSS system. You will assist in reporting customers' feedback and tracking data, and you will also actively look at the big picture of the company to promote their growth and overall improvement for the company. The requirements for this position is 1 to 3 years minimum of relevant experience and flexibility to cover weekday and or weekend shifts. Is able to self-direct in a fast-paced, constantly changing environment. A good sense of humor, positive attitude, and strong work ethics are all a must, and must display excellent verbal and written communication skills. Also be familiar with Shopify and Zendesk or other CSS platform is preferred. Eagerness to learn new platforms is required. And daily punctuality is a must in training and during production. So to apply for this position, you must attach a resume, or you are able to paste a resume into their system with a cover letter along with the same document. So they give you the option of adding your resume and a cover letter, or pasting your resume and pasting your cover letter if you so wish to. Also, it's a quick process, the application process. And if you feel that you might be interested in this position, I'll leave the link below this video so that you can read more and research it for yourself and or apply. And if you happen to apply and you want to give me some feedback on the interview process or the application process, or if you get hired, you can leave me a comment below this video in the comment section. So have a nice day. Thank you for visiting. If this is the first time visiting my channel, subscribe and click the bell to be notified of upcoming job opportunities. And don't forget to click the thumbs up to like this video. So have a wonderful day.